Troops, good morning. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever company merch, Axe body spray, big bottle and small bottle. Meron tayong Axe Dark Temptation, dark chocolate scents, deodorant body spray, dual action. Unilever po yan. Nasa 135 ml. Meron din siyang small bottle, Axe Dark Temptation, dark chocolate scents, 48 hours fresh fragrance, 2 times odor protection. Unilever po yan. 50 ml. White. Next, meron din tayong Axe Gold Temptation, Gold Amber and Vanilla Scents, 48 hours fresh fragrance plus 2 times odor protection. Body spray, 135 ml. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Axe Gold Temptation, deodorant body spray, 50 ml. You can buy it from any grocery stores, mga malls, grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Axe deodorant body spray, ice chill, frozen men's skin, 48 hours fresh, 150 ml. Unilever po yan. Meron din tayong Axe Ice Cool, small bottle, frozen mint and lemon scent, 48 hours fresh fragrance plus 2 times odor protection. Deodorant body spray. Unilever brand yan. Next, meron din tayong Axe U deodorant body spray, 50 ml. Unilever po yan. Yan yung mga Axe. Next, meron din tayong Axe small bottle, Gold Temptation, 48 hours fresh fragrance plus 2 times odor protection, deodorant body spray. Available po siya sa 50 ml. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam niyo kung ano-ano mga Unilever company merch sa hindi pa nakakaalam. Yung Axe body spray, isa lang po yun sa mga Unilever company merch. That's it for today's Unilever company merch videos. Axe body spray, small bottle and big bottle. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever company merch videos. Respect. Always rise. Never give up. God bless us all. Always. Thank you for watching.